Alright, Miss Hamrick, here's your 153rd scale diecast school bus you asked for. This is a FS-65, and I always get this incorrect, but international, I think it's on an international frame, and then other companies bought the frame and added their bodies. I'm going to get hate comments, I'm sure, because I always forget this part of it on this style bus. But anyway, FS-65 is one of the models that this was called. It's decaled as an Isle of Wight Academy bus number 10 that you asked. Passenger on the driver's side, the number's at the rear, as we discussed in that email yesterday. And on this side, it's behind the door, which we saw a couple pictures of that. Also decaled Isle of Wight. The doors do open. I can never get this side open with my finger, but both sides do open. I can't even do it with a screwdriver because I'm so... There we go. Both doors do open. And again, lights have been added to this. The lighting that we discussed, headlights, taillights, red flashers and yellow flashers. Both of those are true wig-wag flashers instead of just random flash. The battery we discussed here on the bottom. Again, it's an A23. I will send the one that's in this, which is new, and then I'll send an extra one that will be in the package with the bus in a little plastic bag, like so. These are available at Walmart. You can pick them up on eBay. Usually just buy them on eBay 50 or 100 at a time. So, but I go through them a lot more than you probably will. The switches are here on the bottom for obvious reasons. They're marked yellow, red, and then nothing. The center one is your main power headlights, taillights. Go ahead and press that. Again, you see your headlights. Use the warm white headlight or LEDs on these. A little bit more realistic. The older style buses, at least, they don't have the LED lights in them. So headlights and then, of course, taillights on the rear. Turn those off. Let's hit the yellow button, and I bet you can guess what happens. Nice steady pattern wig-wag yellow flashers. And you can go to the front, yellow flashers. Turn those off. Hit the reds, and same thing. Nice red pattern, steady flash pattern on those as well. And if so desired, you can run everything at once. Headlights, taillights, all the flashers, since everything's on separate switches. It will work that way. So anyway, I appreciate the order. Get this shipped out today. Today's Saturday. You needed it by Friday, so you will have it in plenty of time. It'll go out priority mail, and you should have it in plenty of time. So again, I appreciate the order, and great communication. Thank you very much to get this done. A lot of customers order something and want it like really quick on eBay, and then I don't hear from them for 2 or 3 days, and it ends up being a wreck. So anyway, like I said, I appreciate it. Hope he likes it. Sure he will. And like I said, once again, appreciate the order. Thank you very much.